Hello fans, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jerome Peace Music. So today I will be teaching you lead and bass line on this Highlife Yoruba style melody. Understand? You know, there's a way Yorubas play their lead line. Also, Igbo people can use it. It's just an African way of playing. Okay, so I'll be teaching you how you can play it. Okay, hope you saw what I'm doing. So what I'm playing is very simple, and I'm playing on F sharp, but I'll be calling out the notes of what I'm playing for those that don't play on F sharp, so you can be able to apply it in your key. So what I'm doing is very simple. I did something like this: do mi re do ti la so mi fa la do mi so ti re so do. Okay. Do mi re do ti la so mi fa la do re so ti re so do mi re do ti la so mi fa la do re so ti re so do mi re do ti la so. So let me just take it gradually. Do mi re do ti la so mi fa la do re so ti re so do mi. You understand? So you repeat what you played there. Do mi re do ti la so mi fa la do re so ti re so do mi re do ti la so. So that's just what I was playing there from the start. Sorry. So you can see this one. So the progression I'm on is da 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 fa so do fa so do mi re do ti la so mi fa la do mi so ti re so do mi re do ti la so mi fa la do. The bass do so la mi la re so do so la mi la re so. Okay. Do so la mi la do so la mi la re so. So you can just play anything. So do so la mi fa re so do so la. You can still play something like that, like the simple bass. So you can still play simple bass line like that, or you could do so la mi la re so do. Okay, or you can just remain on this play something like that. once you start with this, just to get the progression first, you can add so many melody. See? Something like mi do re ti do la ti la so mi fa, mi do re ti do la ti la, mi do re ti do la ti la so mi fa, la mi so ti re, do mi re do ti la do la ta da da do la si so do la ti so la mi do mi fa. Understand? It's just very simple. You just have to understand the progression first. Okay, once you understand the progression and you know we are on do. So if you are on do, you know you're using your do's. Do, mi, so, do, mi, so. So, do, mi, re. This re now is just like a passing note to your fa now. So thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment. God bless you all.